Ay, very good. Ay, ano kuya, you are using calculator mo din pala, iakyat mo na.
Always apply this class on hour.
Sige. Don't look down, don't look at your calculator. Sige, ganun. Without calculator. Sige. Ay, hindi, mag-search ka dyan sa... You're just searching kuya at your ano. Okay. Sige na, try 8 plus negative 2. Ulo, 6 ang sagot. Uy! Yes, the answer is 6, kuya. Okay, next natin na question. Sige na, try to do 25 plus negative 32.
Yun yung mga sarang kain at sabihan ng
Oh, hindi, uy. 25 plus negative 32. Hindi pa rin, uy. Uy, 25 plus negative 32. Alam ka ni David yung sagot, oh? 25 plus negative 32. 25 plus negative 32, how much?
25 plus?
Negative 32.
Negative 32? 35 plus?
Negative 32.
67.
Uy, grabe ka, kuya.
25 minus?
25 plus negative 32. So, 25 minus 32 na yun, kuya.
25 minus 32. 25 minus 32.
Oh, tama ka, negative 7. Okay, integers yun, kuya. Okay, so next na naman natin. Sige na ba, this is a challenge for you. Okay, sige na ba, 75 plus negative 14. Bilas pa. 61, very good kuya, it's 61. Okay, so next kuya, we are done with the using number line na model siya. Either integers lang yan siya talaga purely. Is it kung positive siya or negative, okay? Sige kuya. So in here, let's just try to focus sa next na discussion. Which is, wait lang, mali pala. Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo kuya? Parang naging kambing na, parang naging Because I wanted kuya na mag-send sila sa akin ng pera, walang pera sa teacher. Kasi okay lang din kuya, pag hindi sila mag-send ng pera sa akin kuya, pero si teacher kuya, akala ko yung si teacher kuya, walang pera si teacher. Walang angay? Bakit pala kayo walang angay? Walang angay pala, grabe ka naman sa akin kuya. Ay, walang angay pala sa teacher? Hindi bagay mag-acting? Ano bagay sa teacher? Grabe ka naman sa kuya. Ay, alam mo kuya, nag-acting ba yung katawan kuya every ano? Okay, so in here naman kuya, itry natin adding real numbers kuya. Okay, let's try to do this one of it. Try natin. Ganito kuya, no? Pero same lang din siya. Okay, this is na real numbers kuya. Kasi not all of the numbers kuya are real. Do you believe that one? Hindi. What do you think? Yung ganit kuya, yung gisabi ko din. Lahat ng numbers kuya, it's real. Pero ambot, ano yung gagawa nila? Okay. Oh, it's not my fault. I'm not mathematician. Okay, so in here kuya ha. Okay, so let's try to add this one. Bakit hindi siya sige, try na lang natin. Okay, so in here, I downloaded your kuya ha, your send mo. Tapos tingnan natin kung ano yung result talaga ng pagiging isang magaling. Okay, sige ha, sabi dito kuya. Try natin kuya, isang natin kuya. Negative 12 plus 7 kuya, how much is it? Negative 12 plus 7. Hello, how much is it? Okay, next na naman kuya. Negative 5.8 plus 10.5. Negative 5.8 plus 10.5 kuya. In here, teacher will write it ha. Negative 5.8 plus 10.5. How much is it? Wala, mali kuya, uy. Ulitin mo. How much? Okay, very good. So, sure ka? Positive? Sure ka na positive? 3.7 man kuya, yung sagot kuya. Kuya, 3.7 man. Ay, 4.7 yung sagot. What's your answer kanina? Bakit parang 5 yung sagot mo? Oh, 4.7. Very good kuya. Ay, hindi. Akala ko iba-iba yung sagot mo. Okay, sige in here. Try to do this one, be. Negative 1/2 plus 1/4. Sige daw, be. How to do this one daw, be? Sige daw, be. Kung kaya na isang kiyan. Kaya mo yan. Ibig sabihin, kaya mo yan. Huwag kang sumukot. Ulo, grabe ka naman. Kanina kuya, kaulan mo kuya. Kailangan ko ng affraction. Ipakita mo yung process. You are maruri ha. You are not doing the process. It means you are tricking teacher. Okay, for example, this one kuya, ano kaning gagawin? Automatic find the LCD. Ano yung LCD ng 2 at saka 4 kuya? What's the LCD of 2 and 4? No, kuya, the LCD is 4. Okay, so 2. Okay, 4. Oh, in here 4. Oh, the LCD is 4, kuya. Okay? So put 4 in here. 4 divided by 2. How much 4 divided by 2? Times negative 1. Okay, negative 2. 4 divided by 4, kuya. 1. Times 1. What? 1 times 1, 4? Okay, very good. So, negative 2 plus 1, that's negative 1/4. Nga nung ang gisulti mo 1/4 lang man, nga nung wala ang negative? Ha? Oh, yun yung gagamitin na bakit hindi magsabi yung negative kanina? Ha? Oy, negative 1/4. The bigger? It's 2. 1/2 man yan. Oh yes, 9 ako. Sige, ano yung mas bigger? Oh, 4. Oh. Oh. Pero naka-fraction man yan siya, 1/2 at saka 1/4. Eh. Okay, continue. Sige dabe, this one dabe. Negative 6.432. Okay, plus 10.12. Sige dabe, ilan yung sagot? Calculator naman siya, oh. Okay, use your calculator. Negative 3.8. Sure, sa negative ko yan, sa negative. Oh, positive 3.8 kuya. Oh, tandaan mo, huwag mong kalimutan. Okay, ang next naman natin na discussion kuya, sabi na dito kuya, na pwede tayong magpa-plus, okay? Okay, nakikita mo yun sa page, sa libro mo kuya. Open your libro in page 31 please. Book kuya, aklat, libro. Okay, sige, i-answer mo yung pinakailalim yung nakalagay na got it? 2, what is each sum? Nakita mo yung got it? Ano mo kuya, lagay mo sa chat box. So, answer mo yung letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. Kuya, tomorrow kuya, if ever ma-face-to-face ka, mag-video tayo kuya. So that I can put you in my kuya, YouTube. Ha? Wait, dapat mag-subscribe ko sa YouTube ko kuya. Yes, and I will not post it kuya if walang concern mo, ha? Ibig sabihin, I'll ask for your first confirmation if magbayad ka. If hindi ka mabayad, hindi ko i-post. Wait, tama yung grammar ni teacher. I said di ba kanina, sabi ko kuya, I'll wait for your confirmation. Yun yung sabi ko. Yes, if magbayad ka kuya, yayaman tayo kuya kasi makikita nila yung mukha ng isang Kian Fong.
Ano, kinalim siya, ang aanihin. Kung nagaling ka ng apple, hindi ako may apple. Wala sa inyo. Sige.
Oh, ang sabi kuya, pag meron kang tinanim, meron kang aanihin. For example, kuya, nagtanim ka ng tinya, anong bunga? Mangga. Ganun din kuya?
Hindi siya, ay, kailangan siya.
It's not good kuya, gangko dito ha. Sige naman, answer letter A. Kabal-tugal, uy. Tomorrow kuya, video tayo kuya. Okay. Tapos i-post ko kuya sa YouTube. Para meron tayong memories kuya ha. Okay. Okay kuya. After that one kuya, let's move to the next slide ha, or yung next problem na given, okay? Sige. So based dito kuya, sa given, which is yung sa page 32, is nakita ko dito. Ito ha, try to download it again.
If you plant an apple, you will get an apple.
Okay, sige na ba, let's try to check it. If tama, ang binigay ni answer ni Ian. Okay, so for number 1 is negative 24. The question, why did it happen in negative 24? Oh my God, Ian. Wait lang, tingnan ko muna kasi wala yung picture. Sana yung nagpunta ganun. Hindi ko makita ang picture. Downloads. Okay, in here na pala. Sige. So in here, dapat yung first na makikita ko na sagot is, wait lang, sobrang natin. Okay, ang first na dapat makita ko na sagot is negative 24. Ano yung nakalagay sa'yo? Negative, tama pala. Okay, next. Ang next na sagot dapat is negative 2. Ay, tama pa rin. Okay, for letter C, ang answer kay negative 2 pa rin. Ay, tama pa rin. Okay, next, for letter D, negative 6 plus negative 2, negative 8. Very good. Congratulations. You passed the board exam. Ay, grabe English. Dapat matatalo si teacher eh. Matatalo si teacher kaya hindi man marunong si teacher mag-English. Okay, sabi na dito kuya, the numbers that are the same distance from 0 on a number line but lie in opposite directions are opposites kuya, okay? Gets kuya? Okay, for example, negative 3 plus 3. How much is it? Negative 3 plus 3? 0 kuya. Ibig sabihin, opposite siya na sign ha. Opposite na sign pero same number and tawag dyan, opposite kuya ha. Which is a number and its opposite are called additive inverses. Kapag meron kang nakita kuya na same na number pero magkaiba na sign, ang tawag dyan, additive inverses. Very good. So para mahanap yung result nila kuya, ang ginagawa natin kuya, gumagamit tayo ng property, inverse property of addition. Okay, so ibig sabihin kuya, gumagamit tayo ng mga property kuya ng isang inverse na addition. Do you believe that one kuya? Ha? What happened to your face? Okay, so dun kuya. So after that one, meron naman tayong kisabi daw. Ang kisabi daw dito, property of inverse. Okay, so familiar naman tayo dyan kuya. So start tayo kuya sa subtracting real numbers kuya. This one, medyo mahihirapan na ang isang Kian Fong. Sige, i-try daw natin, be, kung kaya, be. Okay, so in here, after I delete this one, kuya, ha, try, solve ka na agad. Okay. Ano ba yung tama na pagkasabi dyan? Delete? Ay, grabe ko naman, kuya, oy. D-E-L-E-T-E man yun. So, dapat delete. Okay, so try to do this one. Negative 8 minus negative 4. How much is it, to, be? Tingnan natin, be, kung kaya, be. Sure ka na, negative 12? Sure ba? Sure? Okay, the answer is negative 4. Kasi nga, what happened? Okay, negative 8. Okay, negative times negative, it will become positive. Positive. Okay, negative 8 plus 4. That's negative 4, kuya. Okay, next. Negative 2.386. Tapos, i-plus natin siya sa negative 2.36 plus 1.2. Sige daw, be. What's the answer? Tingnan natin kung kaya, be. Siyempre, gumagamit ka ng calculator. Wala, I'm just, watching you. Kung ano yung sagot mo? I'm just looking at your answer kasi I know your answer is right, man. Sadyang ginatis mo na si teacher na mali yung sign mo. Why are you doing that? Dapat tama yung ginabigay mo na answer ni teacher. Okay, 1.2. Surely yan, final answer ha, bantay. Ay, grabe, maraming mga addition ha. Sige, in here kuya, try natin kuya. So, negative 2.36 plus 1.2. So, that's our answer should be 1.16. Okay, kuya? Gets? Okay, i-plus pa man natin siya kuya. Okay? So, negative 2.386. Since plus man siya kuya, automatic, that's 2.386 kuya. I-plus natin ang 1.16. Okay, so that's 6, 4, carry 1, it's 5.3. What's your answer? Negative 3.540 dapat. Where's your answer? Hala, hindi. Nakinig kay teacher. Oh, what happened? Oh, isa pa ba, nagkamali ang isang kiyan? Okay, try to do this one. Negative 1/2 plus, okay, 3, 4. Okay, wait lang, what happened? Okay, bakit okay, okay, 4, okay, minus 1, 8. Sige na, be, do that one, kung makaya mo yan. Kalaya. Ah, teacher's voice is nice, no? Awat ka, be. Hinubuto ko ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Oh, oh. Ha? Yes, dapat meron ka mga pa-crack-crack sa voice mo kuya kasi ang tawag sa'yo, cracker. Ha? Okay, so ganun yung gagawin natin kuya. Eh, alam mo kung paano pa-crack-crack ng voice? What's your answer? Make sure ganun kuya naka-fraction kasi ngayon given na teacher fraction. Gusto ko makita ng fraction. Dapat naka-fraction. Okay. Kuya, sino yung singer kuya? Your dad or your mom? Your mom? What anong 1.8? Kailangan ko ganit ng sagot. 1.8. O, positive, negative. O, checking tayo ha. Bantay kung hindi tama. Okay. So, wait lang. Okay. Okay, negative 1 na. Remain yan dyan. Okay. So, plus. Okay. So, 3/4 minus 1/8 kuya. Okay, process natin. So, 3 in here minus 1/8. Ano yung LCD ng 4 at saka 8 kuya? 8. Very good. 8 divided by 4. 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 8 divided by 8. That's 1 times 1 is 1. So, that's 5/8. Okay? Okay, 5/8. So, i-plus natin dito kuya. 5/8. Ano yung LCD ng 8 at saka 2? It's 8 kuya ha? 8? 8 divided by 2. It's 4. 4 times negative 1. Negative 4. Okay, 8 divided by 8. It's 1 times 5. It's 5. Okay. Oh, positive, negative. It's positive now. 1/8. Oh. Okay, you get it kuya? Okay, you get it? Okay, so in here, I want you to open your book, okay? Sige. So, open it in page 32 kuya. Nakalagay dyan, got it? So, isolve mo daw yung letter A kuya. What is 4.8 minus negative 8.7? What do you think is the answer? Negative 4.8 minus negative 8.7.
Ito, pag sinabing pagputi ng kuha. Ito, pagputi ng kuha.
What do you think is the answer?
Ganun na siya. Oh, uwak, hindi uwak.
Okay, pagputi ng uwak, ibig sabihin si Kian. Isa sang wakwak.
Hindi, lagi. Uwak, dito talaga.
Okay, tingnan natin kung tama. What's your answer? Negative 3.9. Sige na ba, let's do the checking. Ano ganyan given ni teacher? Negative 4.8. I-minus na siya sa negative 8.7, right? Tama? Wow, ano yung ginagay mo pala? Ay, hindi siya negative. Positive pala siya, kuya. Okay. Okay, negative. Ay, positive siya na 4.8. Okay. So in here, kuya, ang mangyayari, negative times negative, that would become positive. 4.8 plus 8.7. O bakit yung answer mo kuya is 3? Wala, it's not 3. Okay, it's 13.5. Wala, what happened to Kian? 4.8 minus negative 8.7, it's? Oh, bakit ang sabi mo kay kanina? Ha? Ba't ang bidan? Ha? Halulot. Okay, sige. So, ang next dito, nakalagay na dito for your next na problem is sa page 33. Okay, so if you're going to look for the page 33, that is the problem number 4 na. So, sa a lot of problems, Kuya Kian, na encounter mo, what do you think yung pinakamahirap for you? Sige daw, be. Ano yung pinakamahirap? Ay, bakit? Ano yung pinakamahirap mo na encounter na problem, kuya? Na mathematics problem? Wala eh, grabe, uy. Mga tinis matalino eh. Very good. Okay, so sabi na, it means kuya, I'm asking if you have any difficulty kuya sa any problems given, pero wala man pala. So it means you're very good. Okay, so in here daw, adding and subtracting real numbers. So, first kuya, meron tayo dito daw. So, scuba diving. So, a reef explorer. When we say reef explorer, what does it mean kuya? Reef explorer.
Like a fake person. No, wait, signature lang.
Hindi, oy. Hindi, gan.
Fake person, ha?
Ibig sabihin kuya, isang reef explorer kuya. Okay, in here ha, sabi daw dito, a reef explorer daw kuya, dives into 25 feet to photograph. When we say photograph, ano ibig sabihin nun kuya?
Give this love,
Yung ibig sabihin mag-picture daw siya kuya. Pero ang sabi daw dito, gusto niya mag-photograph ng brain coral. You know what's brain coral kuya? Yung brain natin kuya. Joke lang pala kuya. Ibig sabihin kuya, yung mga coral under the water. So and then rises to 16 feet. Okay, mataas ba yung 16 feet o hindi?
Mataas.
Not really. Wala ko. Ilang feet ka pala? 4 feet ka pala nga kuya eh. Okay, so 16 feet ibig sabihin, lampas ng isang parang basketball kuya, basketball ring. Let's go. Okay, so okay, so sabi daw dito kuya, to travel a ridge before diving. So ikaw kuya, papayag ka ba kuya na lulokso ka kuya or magja-jump ka kuya sa pinakamataas na feet kuya papunta sa ilalim ng mga karagatan?
What does it mean?
Ay grabe na kaya mo yung pinakahayas na pose kuya. Okay. Okay, so about dito kuya, to survive the base of the reef. Okay, so then the diver rises 29 feet kuya to see an underwater cavern. Ano ibig sabihin ng cavern kuya? Ay, ako hindi ko rin alam kuya, that is why teacher is asking you. What does the cavern means? Yan ba yung i-cover mo kuya para tawag cavern? Alam ka, nag-search. So anong ibig sabihin ng cavern?
Covered.
Wala ko, bakit nag-search? Uy, basta mga atinista kuya, pag sabi ng isang word na hindi alam, dapat alam mo na yan.
Uy, ikaw, hindi ka alam yung isang charts. Tinanong ko pa naman siya. Tinanong ko siya assignment. So what?
Wow, grabe. Okay, so dito kuya, dapat alam mo kuya, maghanap ka ng mga keywords, root words, lahat ng mga words. Okay, covered from the root word cave. Sige, dapat kami. Sige, kami. I'll do the chart, 1, 2, 3, go. Ano ko? Don't screenshot kuya. Okay, covered. Root word cave. Cavern. Isa na guys si Earn. Si RN. Yan siya yung rrn. Okay. Earn. Very good. Very good. So what is the location of the cavern in relation to sea level? When you say sea level, kuya, yan ba yung mga level ng mga sea? Ha? Okay, ano yung pinaka-alam mo na sea level, kuya? Ano yung alam ko na sea level, kuya, is yung sea tapos lagyan ko siya ng level. Charing. Okay. So, sabihin na dito, kuya. Okay. So, 0 minus 25 plus 16 minus 47 plus 29. Ibig sabihin, kuya, lahat ng mga ibang sabi dito ng mga feet, kuya, i-process lang siya natin. So, first down, nag-dive siya into 25 feet. After niya nag-dive ng 25 feet, ang next na gigawa, umahon siya, kuya, ng 16 feet. After niya naman ng ahon ng 16 feet, kuya, nag-dive na naman siya, kuya, ng 47 feet, kuya. After that one ng 47 feet, umahon na naman siya ng 29 feet. So, automatic yung total niya na feet is ilan? 27 ha, na negative. Okay, let's try to do this one, kuya. Open your book, okay? Sige ha. I-try mo yung 33, kuya. Got it? Okay. Okay. Okay, Kuya Fong. Kuya Kian, try to answer yung got it, 4. A robot submarine dives 803 feet. When we say submarine, you know what's floating submarine, kuya? Color yellow yan sa kuya. No, akala ko dati kuya nag-floating submarine kuya ba? Do that kuya ha? Floating yellow submarine. Kung tayo talaga. What's your answer? Matagal, mandito kuya. Anong ginagawa mo dyan sa kagilid-giliran? Kaya magkutawat kapi. Uy, anong ginagawa mo dyan sa gilid? Wala nang nag-drive sa airship mo. Ay, you're answering? Okay, go.
Ang aking mga magulang ay kamay na bakal dahil hindi ako pinapalabas.
O, gusto mo yun, Kian? Kamay na bakal?
Maglaro sa iba. Kamay na bakal.
Grabe naman yung 1,000. Bilagay mo lagay ng emphasis 2,000. Okay, so sabi na dito kuya, your robot submarine dives 800 feet to the ocean floor. Tapos it rises now 215. So 803 feet minus 215. How much is it, kuya? Kuya. Okay, kapag mag-dive gani kuya, automatic negative kuya ha. Okay, kapag parais kuya, ibig sabihin positive. Sige dabi. So negative 803 plus 215. What's our answer? Okay, so in here ha, let's try to solve. Negative 803 plus 215. Okay. Okay, so that's 13. In here, magiging 9. In here, magiging 7. So that's 5, tapos 8, tapos 8. Okay, so negative 588 kuya. After that one, meron pa man dito gisabi na nag-dive na naman ulit yung submarine ng 2,619 feet. Okay, so ibig sabihin minus na naman tayo. Nakita ko yun kuya. Okay, so minus na ng negative 2619. Okay, negative 2619. Okay, so ipa-plus na lang natin. 7, carry 1. So that's 0, carry 1. It's 2, carry 1. So 3207. Negative 320,207 ha. Okay, pero after niya nag-dive kuya. Okay, after niya nag-dive is automatic. Ang gigawa niya next is nag-rise na naman siya kuya ng 734. Okay, what's your answer again? O, ilagay mo dyan, para hindi ka naman change ng sagot. Ilagay mo dyan sa chat box. Wow, ako yung update to system. Oh, no more changes na ha. Okay, what's your answer? Very good. Paano mo nalaman yun? Tama ka. Okay, so yun sa kuya. Tama yung sagot mo. Okay, for tomorrow, magpasok ka ng face-to-face, hindi? Pasok ka? Wow, grabe. So what system are we following? Wow. We have a lot of rules to discuss, right? But what's your favorite rule? Oh, tama. 2 for 73. Tama kuya. Okay. So, bali kuya, for tomorrow, magpasok ka face-to-face ha. So, ulit magbardagulan tayo ha. Okay, I love you, sorry. I love you, sasabihin mo, no? I love that. Okay, I love that also. Magbardagulan tayo. So, for tomorrow, kuya, see you. What's your time? 6 ha? 6 to 7. So, mag-early ka travel from San Pedro, kuya, para makakarating ka dito ng 6 ha. Okay, good. I'll do pictures post naman, Pigo. Ala, screenshot mo, no? Hello. Sige na kuya. Thank you so much for today. Sige na, bye-bye, babe. Ganito kuya, do this one, no? Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up po. Ay, grabe. You should do it, kuya. Thumbs up. Okay, 5 little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Okay na. Kuya, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Early ha. Dala ka ng libro. Mag-advance tayo. Wuki, bye-bye.